Let's talk about Excel tables. Think of it as your data's superhero cape. Excel table is a structured range of data that is treated as a single entity. When you create a table, Excel will automatically include features such as filtering, sorting, and also the ability to use structured references when it comes to adding formulas. You can use this feature when managing employee databases, keeping a track of recruitment details, in training and development, or even in performance management. Basically, any data sheet that you use and maintain in Excel that will require data analysis. Either go to the Insert tab and select Table or use the shortcut given here. Excel will automatically detect the range and prompt you to confirm. Ensure My Table Has Headers option is checked. This is to confirm that your table has column headers, and it will come in handy when using structured references in formulas. This will help you to keep your data neat and tidy and make your life a whole lot easier when analyzing data. Stay connected with me for more tips on Excel for HR.